So let's touch base. I know in one of our market commentaries that you had put out over the last quarter, had mentioned that there's 3 items that we're concerned about. One of which being too much debt that's being accumulated by the country as well as by certain individuals along companies along the way, and there's a concern for the debt. You also had mentioned if there's an uptick in inflation, that proposes a risk to the markets. And fortunately, we've been pretty stable when it comes to inflation.
That's right.
Last, you had mentioned that there is some additional variables that could come in and impact the markets along the way. We happen to have seen a strong one that hit yesterday.
That's right.
And the impact that it happens to the market. So tell us a little bit about what happened yesterday.
What happened yesterday was coronavirus that has been spreading around the globe, which is what we consider as a black swan type of the event. And that is the event no one can predict in advance. That's why when this kind of event hit the market, it caused some nervous around the globe. The coronavirus is starting to spread not only in China but also in some Asia country. Now it's in Europe, so we can see some headline news like Italy. They have some affecting cases, and within US we want to be very careful in terms of how we react to this type of the event when we manage the client's portfolio.
Right, and we had discussed that the impact can be longer term. Some of the supply chain issues that could creep into the market over the next months, year.
Correct.
But we also had discussed that there's opportunity for other countries, other manufacturing facilities that are outside of China that might be able to come up and pick up some of the slack. So the cost-benefit analysis is still yet to be fully understood or known what the impact is on the market.
That's right.
So we'll discuss what does that mean as we conclude here, and what our conversations were from our investment committee of what we can do and what's been done to help our clients in these types of situations. Because if it's not the coronavirus, there could be something else that could come in and impact the markets along the way.